Hello viewers, I'm Louie, and after 2 months of hiatus, and currently I'm back! Yay! And so today I'm in Cibubur Scout Camping Ground, and this is also special because this huge camping ground complex straddles between two provinces, and those are Jakarta and West Java. And as you can see right behind me, there's a signboard that tells you that right there enters Jakarta province. And so the ground I'm standing in right now is in West Java. Although I'm not too sure because if you can see right here, this one, there's a small stone border monument. And so I'm not entirely sure whether I'm standing in Jakarta or West Java. Yeah, that's rather peculiar. Alright, currently I'm resting in I don't know, a big gazebo thing. Since I don't know the English equivalent of pendopo. But yeah, I need to rest for a bit because I've been walking for around 45 minutes non-stop. So yeah, I'm in here. Sitting on a very huge gazebo. Yeah, see you in a bit. Alright, so that's all for today's stroll in Cibubur Scout Camping Ground. And as usual, if you enjoy my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye!